Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to look at our Webster U Interactive Map. The creators are Shannon Monroe and Maria Anayam. So the theme this Hackfest was how can we improve student experience? Our idea was to make a website that will help students navigate around campus. This improves student experience because they'll have a better way of navigating around campus by looking up buildings, information about classrooms, offices, what services are offered in each building. Another problem we thought we could bridge with our website was increasing student engagement for student clubs. If we allow student clubs to advertise their events happening by building. So if you're already going to that building and you see that this event is scheduled at a certain time, I feel like um, more students will be able feel um, easier joining. We do have, Webster does offer this static map here, but it's inaccessible because getting a physical copy of it can be very difficult. And if you're a new student or an international student or someone who doesn't live on campus, navigating it can be difficult because you don't know the roads, you don't know which building you're near, so you don't know how to get like to the next one. So our website's features will tackle those problems by creating an interactive map where you can click on each building. You can get a view inside each building on how to get to where you want to go, search for a specific place, and then allow for posts for clubs. We started our approach by attempting to make every building on the map clickable. This is the East Academic Building, so we were able to make it clickable. The languages we used were HTML and CSS. This was our first time interacting with these languages, so we did have to persevere a little bit. This is a quick glimpse at our code, style sheet, page 1, page 2. Before we go into the future of our website, let's look at what we were able to, nope. Um, sorry. Yes, so what we were able to do here was make the East Academic Building a highlightable, clickable graphic, which when you go to click on it, it will take you to the layout of the building. And when you search up a room number, wherever, let's say I have class in room 250, it'll take me to the best route to get to room 250 or 251. And this allows for students to get to class more confidently. And some other ideas we had for how to, um, for our website as it grows was to consolidate the way that student groups have to make um, reservations. We would like to just move that onto our website instead of using the third-party website we use currently. And add post features for the campus. So let's say sometimes randomly someone will be giving out like ice cream in the quad. You could make a post about that, and then other students will be able to join. And there's another huge factor I think we could improve on, which is safety. Um, there are threats that can happen to university campuses, whether that's human threats or weather threats or just natural occurrences. I think with a website like this, it'll be easier to share information about what's happening and allow students to get to safety or be cautious or about how they navigate the campus. Well, thank you so much for viewing our project. We had a lot of fun making it.